Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will instantly do code reviews for you inside your IDE. It's an insane extension. If you just type here Sourcery, this is the name of the extension. If you see, it's got almost a million installs, and simply click the install button, and as soon as you install this extension, it will try to instantly do a code review of your full application. So just wait for the installation to finish. So once it is finished, just check the sidebar section. This option will appear, Sourcery. If you see, simply click on that, and right here you just go to the file what you need to analyze. Simply open the file right here, and this will initialize the plugin right here. If you see, it is initializing it. So it's similar to Copilot. You will see unlimited AI chat interactions. You will get instant code reviews. So for this you just need to log in. So this is their page here. If you see app.sourcery.ai, and here you can simply log in with your Google account here. So this is the page, sourcery.ai. 100,000 faster code reviews. So this is their website. Definitely check out, and once you confirm this, you will be logged in inside so here you can see now we are inside our dashboard, and if you check the billing section, you are inside the pro plan. So you get the free trial here, which basically ends for 14 days, then you will billing $15 per month. So this is their plan, so you can actually try this. So now you are logged in, so you will get this option of review my code here. So you will get the option review current file. So it will review your current file. All these things it will do. Just click this button, and now it is figuring out the whole file, the source code of if any sort of error is there. So it will do a full code review. So this is their website, you will see that. So third-party integrations are also there, Slack, Jira, you can connect it. We also have the chat window as well, where you can actually use AI coding assistant to actually build out anything. Like suppose I say build a, you can attach files as well. So build a image to PDF web app. So as you just do this, you will see it will build out your full application, and it is writing the code for you. Similar to GitHub Copilot, Claude, all the popular modules, and you can see that it is generating all the code for you. And it also comes with the autocomplete features as well. So as you write the code, it will show you suggestions as well. You can see that. So it will save you a lot of time. Definitely activate this extension, guys, which is available for completely free for 14 days, and then you will be charged their pro plan. You can check out. Just press the tab key to accept the suggestions, and so this is the extension, guys, Sourcery, and Sourcery AI. Similar instant code reviews inside your VS Code, similar to ChatGPT and Claude. A great alternative. If you want to check out, simply go to app.sourcery.ai. Just log in with your Google account and simply activating this extension. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.